Those were fantastic products, so good that we had even filed for patents. Unfortunately, none of them turned into successful business. So where was the gap? That gap I was able to find when I completed my course. My name is Rasheed Ahmad Usmani. I started my career in 1994 after completing my graduation in biosciences. It's been quite a long journey. I started as a graphic designer, and then as an employee, I headed a software company in Bangalore. That was way back in 2012, and actually this is when my product management and leadership experience started. That journey started when I joined iSource Worldwide in 2009. I was always wondering, what does it take to make a successful business? Creating products and making a successful business are two different things. I always had that cue in my mind, but was never too sure about when I used to read that businesses fail, and I was not getting exact reasons. After 2012, I started my entrepreneurial journey. I created 3 companies and created more than 8 products. All of them were awesome products, but none of them converted into successful business. I was lost. I wanted to know the reason. And this is where I started learning more and more about product management. What does it take to create a successful business and not only a successful product? The common mistake we entrepreneurs make is we drown in our own dreams. We dream, and most of the time we close our eyes. Whereas entrepreneurship is about dreaming with conscious mind. This learning was the most important thing when I did this ICPM course from IPL. I got the exact reasons why do successful products do not turn into successful businesses. Before IPL, I was not too sure about where we are blundering. I was very lost. I was not too sure what are the mistakes we are committing. We were very passionate about whatever we were creating. Those were fantastic products, so good that we had even filed for patents. Unfortunately, none of them turned into successful business. So where was the gap? That gap I was able to find when I completed my course. I learned that how important for an entrepreneur is to know what to do, how to do, and what not to do. That is extremely critical for a successful business. Luck, of course, works, but that is only one component. Understand and implement road mapping and GTM, go-to-market strategies, as well as possible. These two aspects especially, I feel, are very crucial for successful businesses. We entrepreneurs, especially who come out of colleges or come out of a career and start a business journey, we do not have clear roadmap of our products or services we create. We do not have a very clear and precise go-to-market strategies. Hence, we fail to convert them into paying business.